Okay, so we're going to do a little bit of savings, and this is nothing new. We've done this all already, okay, just the information might be presented in a slightly different way. So we're going to pop two different amounts into a savings account. We're going to have £300 is going to go in March of 23, £750 is going to go in January of 25. And we just want to find out how much the balance in the account will be on January the 1st, 2026. And we've got two different interest rates going on here. Okay, so one is happening between January 23 and June 24, and one is happening between July 24 and December 25. So we want to take the two different deposits and deal with them separately. Okay, so I'm going to start with my first deposit of £300, and that's going to be in the account from March of 23 until January the 1st, 2026. So I'm going to think about that as December 2025, because those are the months where I'm getting interest, okay? On the 1st of January 2026, there's no interest happening there. I'm just looking at the account, okay? Then we want to do the same thing again for £750, and that's going to be from January of 25, and again, think about till December 25. Okay, so I can clearly see that this is 1 year or 12 months. Okay, and then my first deposit is going to be from March 23 to December 25, which is just a couple of months shy of 3 years. So that's 34 months. Okay, so 2 years, 10 months. All right. So let's think about our interest rates and what's happening there. Okay, so from March of 23, which is when the money's going in the account, and then June 24 is when it changes. Okay, and then July 24 is when the new rate kicks in, and we're keeping that in until December 25. So 1.024 for 2.4% and 1.031 for 3.1%. The 2.4% is per half year, so that's over 6, and this is per year, so this is over 12. So between March 23 and June 24, that is going to be 16 months. And then from July 24 to December 25, that's 18 months. That's a year and a half. Okay, so then we take our £300 and we multiply it by the two interest rates. And that's giving me a total of £334.56. So if we do that again with my second deposit, so that's going in January of 25, which means the only interest rate that's relevant is the second one, so the 1.031. It's in for a whole year, so that's just going to be 12 over 12, or 1. All right, so again, we don't need the table necessarily, but it's just a nice way to keep track of things if that's what helps you. So that's going to give me £773 and 25 pence. So the balance on the 1st of January 2026 is those two added together, so £1,107 and 81 pence.